Few sights in nature captivate us like the flutter of a butterfly. Living jewels, their wings painted with extraordinary colors and patterns. For centuries, butterflies have symbolized transformation and hope, reminding us that even the smallest beings have remarkable stories. Their journey from egg to caterpillar to chrysalis and finally to butterfly is one of nature's most wondrous plays. As essential pollinators, butterflies help plants produce fruits and seeds, supporting healthy ecosystems. Their presence signals a thriving environment, a delicate balance we must protect. In this exploration, we'll witness their life stages, marvel at their colors, and follow their epic migrations. Join me as we step into the enchanting world of butterflies and uncover the secrets of these magnificent masterpieces of nature. Let's begin our journey with the very first stage, the humble egg. Every butterfly story starts with a tiny, often overlooked egg. These delicate spheres are the very first chapter in a butterfly's extraordinary life cycle, holding within them the promise of transformation. A female butterfly carefully selects the perfect host plant, using her feet and antennae to ensure it's just right. She's searching for a spot where her offspring will have the best chance of survival, guided by instinct and the subtle cues of the plant. She lays her eggs, sometimes singly, sometimes in clusters, on the underside of leaves, hidden from predators and the elements. This careful placement shields the eggs from harsh sunlight, rain, and hungry insects. Butterfly eggs come in many shapes and colors, often camouflaged to protect them. Some are round, others oval or even ribbed, blending seamlessly with the leaf surface to avoid detection. Depending on species and climate, eggs may hatch in days, with tiny caterpillars ready to emerge almost as soon as conditions are right. Or in colder regions, they may remain dormant through winter, waiting for spring's warmth to awaken them from their slumber. This remarkable adaptation ensures that caterpillars emerge when food is plentiful and the environment is most favorable for growth. When the time is right, a minuscule caterpillar chews its way out, breaking free from the protective shell that has kept it safe. Its very first meal is often its own eggshell, rich in nutrients and vital for a strong start in life. This provides the energy needed for its next task, eating and growing as quickly as possible to avoid predators and environmental dangers. From this humble beginning, the caterpillar embarks on a journey of relentless consumption, devouring leaf after leaf to fuel its rapid development. The saga of transformation has only just begun as the tiny caterpillar prepares for the incredible changes ahead. Next, we follow the caterpillar's remarkable growth, witnessing the wonders of metamorphosis unfold step by step. The caterpillar's sole purpose at this stage of life is to eat and grow as much as possible, fueling its incredible transformation ahead. With every bite, it increases its body mass by over 1,000 times, turning from a tiny hatchling into a plump, voracious larva. Its strong jaws slice through leaves with ease, while its gripping prolegs anchor it firmly to branches, making it a relentless eating machine that rarely rests. As it grows, the caterpillar must shed its skin several times, a process called molting, passing through multiple stages known as instars, each one larger than the last. Vulnerable after each molt, many caterpillars rely on clever camouflage to blend in with their surroundings, or display bright warning colors to signal danger and deter hungry predators. After weeks of almost non-stop feeding, the caterpillar instinctively seeks a safe, sheltered spot. It hangs in a distinctive G-shape, preparing for its most dramatic change yet, and sheds its skin one final time. What emerges is not another caterpillar, but a chrysalis, a tough protective casing that shields the vulnerable creature inside, where the real magic of metamorphosis begins. Inside, the caterpillar's body breaks down almost completely, reorganizing itself into a butterfly. Legs, antennae, eyes, and wings all form from a mysterious cellular soup, guided by nature's blueprint. The chrysalis remains perfectly still for days or even weeks, quietly guarding the secret of transformation from the outside world. This stage is a masterpiece of natural engineering, a marvel of adaptation and survival that has evolved over millions of years. Soon the moment arrives, a butterfly will emerge, fragile and new, ready to experience the world for the very first time. The next scene reveals this dramatic moment as the butterfly pushes free and begins to unfold its delicate wings. Witness the birth of a butterfly, a symbol of transformation, hope, and new beginnings. The transformation is almost complete, and soon the butterfly will take to the sky, beginning the next chapter of its remarkable journey. Inside the chrysalis, a remarkable transformation is underway. The caterpillar, once a crawling creature, is being completely rebuilt into a butterfly, guided by an ancient genetic blueprint passed down through generations. This process, called metamorphosis, is one of nature's most astonishing feats, where the old body is broken down and reassembled into something entirely new. As the moment of emergence draws near, the chrysalis becomes almost transparent, offering a glimpse of the butterfly's delicate, folded wings pressed tightly against its body. The anticipation builds as the butterfly prepares for its first breath of freedom. At just the right moment, the butterfly pushes free from its fragile shell, exhausted and vulnerable. Its wings are crumpled, its abdomen swollen with fluid, and it must rest before it can take its place in the world. Hanging upside down, the butterfly begins to pump fluid from its abdomen into its wings. Gradually, the wings expand and unfold, growing to their full, spectacular size and revealing intricate patterns unique to each individual. The wings must now dry and harden, a delicate process that can take up to an hour. During this time, the butterfly is especially vulnerable to predators and the elements. Slowly, the butterfly begins to gently open and close its wings, testing its new muscles and preparing for its very first flight. Each movement strengthens its wings and readies it for the world outside. When the time is right, it takes flight for the very first time, leaving its old life behind and embracing the freedom of the open air. This moment marks the beginning of its adult journey among the flowers, where it will search for nectar, find a mate, and continue the cycle of life. Now let's explore the science behind their dazzling colors and extraordinary senses, which help them survive and thrive in their vibrant world. How do butterflies see the world around them, and what secrets do their eyes hold? What makes their wings so vibrant and full of color, shimmering in the sunlight? The answers are as fascinating as the butterflies themselves. Let's find out together. A butterfly's wings are a canvas of brilliant colors, serving to attract mates and warn predators. Yellows, oranges, and blacks come from pigments in tiny overlapping scales, while iridescent blues and greens are created by microscopic structures that bend light. This structural color causes wings to shimmer and change as the butterfly moves. Butterflies see the world differently, with compound eyes that detect movement and colors, including ultraviolet that we cannot see. Many flowers have ultraviolet patterns, invisible to us but guiding butterflies to nectar. Butterflies taste with their feet, using receptors to sense sugars in flowers. Their antennae detect scents and pheromones, helping them find food and mates from afar. These extraordinary senses connect butterflies to their environment in ways we're only beginning to understand. Next, we follow one of nature's greatest journeys, the monarch migration. Prepare to be amazed. The monarch butterfly's migration is one of nature's greatest feats. Each autumn, millions travel up to 3,000 miles from North America to central Mexico. This journey spans generations. Those that migrate south live up to 9 months, far longer than their parents. Monarchs use the sun and Earth's magnetic field to navigate, flying by day and resting in clusters at night. In Mexico, they blanket fir trees in orange, huddling together for warmth through the winter. Come spring, they awake and mate and begin the journey north, laying eggs along the way. It takes several generations to complete the round trip, repopulating their summer grounds. This epic cycle is a marvel of endurance and instinct, but such wonders are increasingly at risk. Butterflies are more than fleeting garden visitors. They're vital pollinators and indicators of environmental health. Yet their habitats are vanishing due to human activity, pesticides, and climate change. The fate of butterflies is tied to our own actions. But we can help plant native wildflowers, avoid pesticides, and create butterfly-friendly spaces. Even small gardens can become vital havens, supporting these delicate creatures. By protecting butterflies, we safeguard the beauty and diversity of nature for future generations. Let's cherish the wonder of a butterfly's flight and do our part to ensure their survival. Their story is a reminder of nature's resilience and our responsibility. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Like and subscribe for more wonders of nature.